Now, I love tools. The only thing that I like more than tools is storage for tools, which is why I got so excited when I went to Costco this week and I saw this heavy-duty storage shelf that I bought for 50 bucks. So in a very small space on my wall, I should be able to mount this. It's got 2 shelves, room for my power tools, drill bit holders, large tool holders. It even has a power strip that's removable. Now let's load up this bad boy and see if we can collapse the wall. I won't spend too much time with the unboxing because, well, I'll bet you can figure out how to unbox it yourself. I won't spend too much time showing you how to assemble this thing either because there's a QR code you can scan on the instruction cover. It takes you right to the assembly video. I did want to mount this on the wall, stack some tools on it, and then I'll give you my opinion. Here's a quick overview. This thing has 6 slots for power tools, 2 9 by 24.5 inch shelves, 7 screwdriver holes, a 4-port power strip, 2 USB-A ports, 3 hanging hooks, 2 tool slots, and 11 drill bit holes. This shelf is heavy duty, just like it says. It's solid, it's sturdy, the quality is great. The power strip on the side is what puts this thing over the top, and those 2 USB ports on the power strip, well, that's even better. Now, after mounting this to my wall and packing it with tools, I think that this would be a great addition to anybody's workshop. This storage shelf is almost perfect. There's just one problem that I have with it, and that's the drill bit holder on the side. The drill bit holder is for metric bits. Now my standard size bits, like this 1/2 inch for example, they need to go into a bigger hole, and therefore it's not a tight fit. The regular Costco price for this shelf was $59. However, last week it was on sale for $47. Now at either price, I think the Perma tool organizer is something to consider. I looked on Amazon and they did not have this exact brand, but there were other similar type storage shelves. Now if you do get one, I would highly advise to get one with a power strip. Having the ability to charge your batteries right next to your tools, well, that's a big plus. I'm Tom, this is Allie Picked, and that's today's Quick Tip.